CYBL stock analysis and CYBL stock prediction on the OTC. Even Friday, you know, turned out to be a 48% increase in price, which is totally phenomenal from my end. And I'm here to tell you that I was obviously waiting for it to just double down and buy and whatnot and all that good stuff, but it sort of just gapped up without me. I'm just gonna mark out this stop. I mean, ideally, I'm not just gonna buy here, but if I'm waiting for a little correction, you know, and that's obviously going to be happening next week. But like unironically, that's my demand zone. I'm not saying it's going to come down to 0.008, but since we're now here, if I do not see it pulling down and giving me some sort of a shift, then I guess I'm not buying. You know, that's very simple. So that's how CYBL is looking like. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy, and there's really nothing else that I would add here. See ya.